What's up, dudes and dudettes? Today we're going to be modifying the AliExpress Yngwie Strat. And we're probably going to be seeing how it's going to be a pain in the ass. Okay, here's what I got going on here. I'm wanting to change the pickup covers, the knobs, all of this to aged white plastics. And I'm also wanting to put a white DiMarzio strap on it. These are Fender genuine parts, like cream. I think that's cream color. I'm not going to use this back plate, but it's got pickup covers, knobs, and the switch tip, and I think the tremolo tip is in there. Yeah. These are the stock pickup covers and knobs. I'm going to leave the white back plate on it. First thing is to pull the strings loose and take the pick guard loose. So here we go. Alright, strings are loose. Throwing these over to the side. Next thing I'm going to do is pull these knobs off. Take something like a pick and put underneath the knob, like this. Put the pick underneath the knob and twist it. And this is slowly start lifting the knob off of the post. That way you're not scratching your pick guard by trying to jam something under there, like a screwdriver. Switch button off. Now we're going to go ahead and take these pick guard screws out. Alright, now we're going to lift the pick guard off. There's a 22nd fret lip right here, of course, so the pick guard's going under it, so we'll have to slide the pick guard back a little bit. Maybe I can give you a better view. So let's see how the routing is in this. We'll see what these things look like when you pull the pick guard off. Here's what the electronics look like. You see. It's got those bar, you know, the magnet bar on the single coil. I can't see if these are 500 or 250 pots. Yeah, it doesn't say. In order to get these pickup covers off of here, I got to loosen the pickup screws, the pickup adjustment screws, get the pickup out of the guard, and then of course the pickup cover come off. Now, where we're probably gonna have problems is almost every time I change these on an import, I have to Dremel out the magnet holes in the new pickup covers. It's a real pain in the ass, but I guess that's the price you gotta pay if you want cream on an import. So let's take these off and see what we got going on. And we don't have a fit at all. Damn. Now we're off to the fun part. We got to make the holes in these covers match. Okay, I went a little bit bigger with these holes than I should have, but I just don't have the patience I used to. My other Strat, I would Dremel some, it wouldn't fit, go back outside, Dremel some, wouldn't fit. So I didn't feel like doing that. So I just made the holes big enough where I knew they would fit. It's not too bad. Now, the reason why you do this per cover is because this bridge pickup is different spaced. This bridge pickup's different space than the other two. So I'm glad I checked that and then just didn't do them all like a template, because this one fit perfect. And then these two were all out of whack. So let me go ahead and put these pickups back in the pick guard. Let's put the pick guard back on. All right, let's wind the strings back up. So now I have to adjust the pickups. Knobs and switch time. This is perfect, man. They're not scraping the pick guard or anything. I don't think that's coming off. Don't that look a lot better? Hell yeah. DiMarzio strap. Have the strap itself. Okay, here are the two end pieces. Let's start putting this strap on. Burnt nylon side to the guitar body. Plastic whitewasher between the metal in your guitar body. DiMarzio logo out, of course. Cream plastics. DiMarzio strap. Alright, that's it for today, guys. See you later.